What's going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. The question is asking how much heat is created by 79.2 grams of O2. So first of all, before we do this one, we have to know. So here this is released, right? Negative sign means released, and here we have to know how many moles of O2 releasing this amount. And if you look at this, we have two right here. It's 2 moles of oxygen releasing this much amount of energy, right? But how about CH4? CH4 is 1. So 1 mole of CH4 is releasing this much amount, and 2 moles of O2 releasing this much amount. But here we are only dealing with oxygen, so we have to write 2 moles of oxygen, 2 moles of O2 makes it negative 890.4 kilojoule, right? So this is what we have to know before we do this. Then we have to know in 79.2 gram how many moles of oxygen are there. To find that one, we can use molar mass of oxygen. If we divide this mass by molar mass, that's going to give us the mole. So let's calculate the mole we are using. So O2 mole is going to be 79.2 gram O2 times 1 moles of O2 contains 16 gram. 1 moles O2, right? O times 2, so it's 32. If it's O, 16. If it's O2, it's 36. 32. 32.0 gram O2. And if you calculate this one, that's going to give you 2.48 moles of O2. So in 79.2 gram, we have 2.48 moles of O2. So already we know that 2 moles of O2 makes this much amount. Then how much amount of energy this 2.48 moles of O2 going to make, right? So let's put this one first. Negative 890.4 kilojoules over 2 mole. So 2 moles of O2 making this much amount of energy. Now we have to calculate how much energy 2.4248 moles of O2 making, right? That's what the question. How much heat is created by 79.2 gram? So that is 2.48 moles. Now we are trying to calculate the energy. We want the moles to be cancelled. So what do we have to do this one? If you multiply this one, these moles are going to be cancelled, right? So that's what we are going to do. We are going to multiply this 2.548 moles of O2 with this one. So that's going to cancel this moles and give us the answer in energy. So let's calculate this one. If you calculate this one, you will get 1100 kilojoule, right? Kilojoule is released. So if you mention it is released, you don't have to put the negative sign. If you don't mention that one, you have to make sure that delta H is equal to negative 1100 kilojoule, because this negative sign means it is released. So that's what it represents, right? If you write this one, you don't have to write. If you don't write, you have to put this sign, and that's the main thing. And that's how we do these kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. See you next time.